be walking all day. She said that they're gonna front me as long as I get the rent money by next Friday. So next Friday coming up, did it get the rent? And out the motherfucking door I went, yeah. So I go down the street to my friend's house. I said, look man, I'm outdoors, you know, can I stay with you for maybe for a couple of days? He said, I don't know. Let me go and ask my wife. So we come out of the house, and I could see on his face, I know it was no. He said, I don't know, she got a bit funny, you know. I said, I know. Everybody funny. Now you're funny too. So I go back home, I tell the landlady, I got a job, gonna pay the rent. She said, yeah. I said, oh yeah. And then she was so nice.